In an experiment, you can have two hypotheses. Your HO, which is your null hypothesis, which means that the treatment had no effect, or your H1, which is your alternative hypothesis, that means the treatment did have an effect. For HO, you can have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. For H1, you can only have greater than or less than. For your critical region, you use your alpha, which is your level of significance. If your z-score falls between this, then you fail to reject HO. If it falls within the alpha, then you reject HO.
So here we have an experiment where we want the average higher score of the exam that was done. Our average score was 50, and so when we did the z-score to find the z-score, we got a z-score of 0.5, and as we refer to the z-table, we would get an alpha of 1.64. So when it comes down to that, now we would want to find the null hypothesis, which is a no effect, and we would find with HO mu less than or equal to 50. Why? Because it lands in the area behind the critical region. If that is the option, then we would fail to reject HO, and we would reject H1.
Okay, so a type 1 error is a false positive, and it's going to be determined on your alpha level. So if you have an alpha level of 0.01, you're going to have a 1% chance of a type 1 error. A type 1 error is when your data set is rejecting HO, but in reality, you should be failing to reject HO.
We can't accept HO because there's simply not enough information to accept or deny it. For example, in the United States, we have you are innocent till proven guilty, which means that you are innocent until there's enough evidence acquired to see if you are proven innocent or guilty. For HO, there's simply not enough information to see if we could accept it or deny it.
My name is Lisbeth, and I explained HO, H1, and the critical region.
All right, my name is Jesus Martinez, and I explained accept, reject, and fail to reject null/alternative hypothesis.
My name's Brenda, and I explained type 1 error.
My name is Vanessa, and I explained why we can't accept HO.